Greetings and salutations, you don't love with generous, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wildflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks, southern late nighties. I'm your host, Corey. Today, I'm going to dive into I won't say the whole, hey buddy, the superstar of the show. Coming up. The drink itself is not as weird, except for one of the ingredients I've never seen used in a cocktail. I came across this book called The Art of Drinking. It's made from the 30s. And a lot of these vintage cocktails, man, I bought the stuff here somewhere, the Imbibe, and he goes through a lot of the other vintage cocktails, and some of these trying to decipher what they were doing because they just simplify the whole thing. But this cocktail is called the Almond Eye, and it's pretty simple. It's just gin, orange juice, lemon juice. It says sugar, but we're using simple syrup. But it's using almond extract, and I've never used almond extract. Maybe they're trying to give that orgeat or orgeat, whatever how you pronounce it, flavor. Not really sure. I assume orgeat was around at the same time, but maybe it wasn't. Who knows? But yeah, these drink recipes are crazy because they're like, this one especially, 1 part gin and 1 part orange and lemon juice, sugar to taste, a dash of almond extract. It's pretty vague. So I think I devised a certain ratio that will work. What's cool about this book is that every recipe has a little appetizer to go with it. Although this appetizer, let's see, it says spread rounds of toast with peanut butter, garnish with a strip of bacon, and put in the oven until the bacon is crispy and serve piping hot. I've never had peanut butter and bacon before. Fix my hair. Yeah, I've never had peanut butter and bacon before. It might be interesting to try. They give no how much peanut butter, how much bacon, what the oven should be set to, how long. Maybe I need to find some of my cook friends to kind of help me decipher some of the stuff, and we can dive into some of those in the future. Because it would be cool to try whatever they recommend as an appetizer to go along with the drink, and just to see if it still holds up to modern taste. Who knows? But with all that being said, I am not a bartender. You don't take any of this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, as always, you'll start with a shaker of ice. Like I say, I'm doing that off camera because you don't have to listen to me put ice in here. It makes so much noise. Okay, let's get the goodies out of the way. I'm taking the liberty of these ratios, so we'll just see how it works out. So the 1 part gin, I'm going with 2 ounces of gin. And I'm just using just typical London dry gin. I figure that's what they use in. 2 ounces. So 2 ounces of gin. And then next is 1 part of orange and lemon juice. I'm going to just break it into equal parts of 1 ounce of lemon juice and 1 ounce of orange juice. And it says sugar to taste. I'm using some simple syrup. I'm just going to go with half. Let me see. I don't know how sweet it needs to be, so we're just going to start there. I'd much rather it be a little undersweet to start with. Now the fun part, almond extract. I'm just using generic. I don't know if there's some kind of cool name brand that they had back then. I haven't even opened it up. Cool. And it's a dashes. There's all dashes. So as we've done before, I'm going to use this little dropper. And let's just see what we got here. My supervisor wants to know what I'm doing. Hop down, buddy. Okay. So we're just doing about a milliliter of that as a dash. I'm taking my best guess. If it tastes like crap, it is what it is. And now it's chicken time. Alright, didn't say anything about garnish, but I'm not a big garnish guy anyway, so I'm okay with that. So an Almond Eye. Let's see what we got. All right. You know, we tried a drink a while back. It was like gin and a lot of orange juice, and it just didn't go very well. But I think adding the lemon juice helps it out a little bit, but you get more of a little bit of an aftertaste of orange instead of a drastic orange juice and gin. It seems to blend better. Yeah, I think I got enough simple syrup. It's not too sweet, but I don't really taste the almond. Maybe I need to put a stronger dash. maybe I doubled up the ingredients from what they had before. So who knows? I'm just taking my best guess, but it's actually a pretty tasty drink. You know, there's gin and juice, man. Snoop Dogg probably would approve. Maybe. Well, in the meantime, make sure you guys rise that up. Y'all know what to do. Till next time, cheers.